Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a review video for you on these Madam Glam marble inks gel polishes. Maria from Madam Glam sent me a few more goodies to review for you. Today it will be their marble inks. I haven't tried them yet, so I'm really excited to see how these work. I've seen a few videos on Instagram and on YouTube, and I really do like the final effect of these gel polishes. So thank you so much, Maria, for sending these to me, and I do hope that you guys will like this review. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future review videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I also have a 30% discount code that you can use at Madam Glam's website, and I won't be actually swatching these on my own nails. I will be using some nail stick at this time, but I will definitely have swatches of these on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are following me there as well. That way you won't miss out on any of my manicures that I'm posting. If you do have any questions or comments, if you have any suggestions, in case if I screw up something, please leave them for me in the comment section. I will appreciate that a lot. And I think I will just jump into the swatches now, and then I will come back and quickly share with you my thoughts on these marble inks. They look beautiful, and I'm really excited to use them. guys, what are your thoughts on these inks, marble inks from Madam Glam? I am really liking them. They are so fun. I do have to say that the yellow one did not really work for me. I don't know if I just didn't do it right, but I did the same thing as with the rest of them. However, it looks beautiful when it's like when all these colors are mixed together. I actually really love the final effect. It's very easy to use them. You may have to try few different things to achieve the effect that you are trying to achieve. As I said, especially the yellow one, for some reason it just ran all together, so it's not necessarily as pretty as the rest of them, but the blue and the purple are gorgeous. And I also really like the black one. With that one though, be very careful. As you could see, I applied big drop when I was mixing them and it literally flooded everything, so just be careful in case if you are planning to use the black one with other colors as well. On its own, I really like the grayed out black that it creates. So these supposed to look like marbles, and I do think that they are looking pretty good, so I would definitely recommend you trying these out. Not all the colors seem to be working exactly the same way, so just be aware of that. And as I said, the yellow one for some reason just ran all over it and it just kind of blended into itself, so you can see a little bit of marbling but not as vivid and obvious as with the other colors that were sent to me. So thank you again, Maria and Madam Glam, for sending these to me. These are absolutely beautiful and I will be playing with them. As I said, make sure that following me on my Instagram account. That's where you will see manicures using these inks for sure. And you can also use my discount code Judita30 at Madam Glam's website. Let me know what are your thoughts and if you will be trying this out or if you tried anything from Madam Glam in the past and how did you like them. And I believe that's all from me for today, so thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my video and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.